guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Carol Tichie. Karibu. Hey. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this look. Now, I was going for like a nutty protective style. I wanted to do faux locks, and these faux locks looked so legit. Like, can you tell they're not mine? They are mine. I grew them overnight. So yes, shout out to Sister, because these braids are everything. These faux locks are everything. Throughout the video, you'll hear my thoughts about the locks and what they should add, what they should consider. I'm going for another wedding, guys. It is December. December is the month of weddings, and I wanted to do this look right before New Year's. So yeah, and I also wanted to do it so that it can go with my outfit. So if you're not following me on Instagram, I suggest you do that so that you can see the full outfit. Yes, so if you'd like to see how I achieved these bad boys, then keep on watching. So this is how it looks, guys. So when I bought these locks, I realized when I got home that they are the double-ended faux locks. So you see it has two ends, and then you have to fold it at the middle. So the thing was, I expected to get the one that has like it's single, the loop, and I ended up getting this one because I wanted to do the individual ones. So this technique I'm going to show you is best if you want to do like matutas, like individual braids, because I think ideally when you look at the picture, I think the model did what, it looks like she did braids and then you loop the normal way of looping, like you loop and then knot. But I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to do braids. So I'm going to show you how I did this, how I installed this, and I ended up using just one pack. Thing worth mentioning is the locks. If you can see, it's kind of slim at the center where you're supposed to knot. So, and then the rest is kind of thick. See? So it makes sure that where you are inserting in your cornrows, it's thin so that it doesn't like cause some tension on your hair, which is cool. Now what I need Sister to do is make this exact faux locks, because they do look like dreads completely kabisa. So they just make the individual ones, because for someone like me who is doing the individual braids, would like the ones with the single with the hook. But if you want to do like the cornrows and then you want to loop and knot, then these ones are cool, but they did look like locks, right? Okay, so I haven't done this two at the front because I have to show you guys how I make them. So the good thing is the fact that there are two. From these two braids, I'm going to get four faux locks. So let's do this. Now once I do this, I like to make one a little bit longer than the other, because you'll see this one is the one I'm going to feed my braids in, the longer one. Then once you get to the top, you whip your own hair and then you pull until you can see it, and then you lay it down, and then you hold on to this other end of the shorter end. And that's the reason why I made it short, because I knew I was going to pull it like this until you hear it's until you feel it's kind of snug, you know that they have locked, the braids has locked, and you can't kind of see the braids. So make sure it has locked, you can't see the braids. Yeah, and then it ends up balancing out, like it ends up being like the same, like slightly tapered. But you know, locks are never the same length, so it makes it have like that natural look. So with the hair that is still remaining, you have to kind of guesstimate where it will reach. Go in with your hook and grab the hair. Pull the hair first and out of the lock. It can get lost in the lock. And you need to pull it out. So see, it has disappeared in the lock. And I have two braids, two locks, kind of filling in the gap. So let me do this other one real quick while you just watch. So make sure the locks are tapered. This is how it looks. Let me see. Can you see my hair? Okay, I have to redo this one. I've located my own hair. Then I'm planning to pull this one until you can't see my own hair. So I should keep pulling. So what I like about this hair, it's kind of like giving me a break from laying down my edges. So I don't really need to lay down my edges. You can just stay like that. It gives it like a natural look. Yeah. So you can rock them like this. And then also the fact that I'm doing individual, like there's a lot of like air circulation on my scalp. I have access to my scalp so that I can like do scalp massages and all that good stuff. Yeah. So yeah, and I love that they look so much like locks. The only thing is that some of them do tangle on each other, but what I do is I just trim. So how I go to bed, I wear the large nappy happy satin bonnet. You see, it's big enough to fit this hairstyle. So let me show you guys. So you start off by holding your hair with a band. is an embroidery thread from you can get it from any shop that sells stuff for sewing stuff. So yes, or craft store, but from the sewing shops you can get this embroidery thread for 50 bob, which is a steal because you can reuse this over and over. And yeah, she did a good job in decorating. Some people use yarn. You can also use yarn if you want to go for that gypsy look. And I also got these cuffs, this jumbo cuffs from Du Bois Road on Perida Center. If you know that shop that sells beads, they do have this. I bought one for 25 bob, so the whole set of 5 was 125. Yeah, so this is a cute one and a cool one, and different from the normal cuffs that we usually wear. So yeah, look at that. Whoa. So I've added the last one at the back, and you can stop here, but I'm thinking of adding I don't know, when I add this orange, oh my god, when I add this orange to the, like when I show it on the screen, it changes the whole color look. It's all blue now, orange. You see guys, like lighting, especially when you're using natural lighting, it's crazy. And guys, I usually would prefer doing like a talk through video, but usually there's a lot of noise. There are a lot of kids are close to school, so kids are playing outside, and I can't even get a word in. That's why I do voiceovers. But today, for some reason, they're still asleep or they're not yet up and about. But yeah, so I'm lucky today. So you can stop here, and okay, you can decide to hold your hair up. Okay, I'll just come up with a styling video for them, but you can stop here and just rock this look as it is. But if you're like me and you'd like to like go an extra mile with the styling, oh, I forgot to show you how I get rid of this like tangliness. You just chop it off. You can see they tangled on each other. You just get rid of those. And then there's the plain. Always is a plain. There's always a plain. Okay, so the locks are not so thick, so the cuff moves up and down. I'm thinking if it was braids, it would hold much better. But these locks, I prefer that way because these locks are kind of like light, like lightweight, like girl. Even if it's a sunny, hot day, like you can still rock this hair. Like today, it's really sunny. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to do like my earrings. So earrings of the day. Apart from earrings, I've been getting a lot of like makeup tutorials requests, and yes, I hear you guys. It's in the works, it's coming. Like for today's makeup look, it's just a simple orange. I was going for orange because of my dress. Let me stand up and see my dress. It's a maxi dress. Today I'm looking like a real natty girl. I wasn't going for that look, but it's turning out to look really cute. So yes, these are the earrings. Yeah, so yeah. Let me attempt to style off camera and then I'll be right back. throughout the whole video I was just having like some like background music in my head. Do you have that like soundtrack music in your head when you're doing something? I need to get me a speaker because this is this is crazy. So but yeah, I was having like Rude Boy by Rihanna, and then Natty girl, like letting go. I have done faux locks before. If you've done faux locks before, you know how it can have like some form of weight. This is super lightweight, light as air, like you can't even feel like it's anything there. So yes, I hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one.